Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope that I'm live. I'm Tabitha Yount. I'm the owner of Elegant Homes and Interiors, and welcome. This is Tuesday Talks with Tabitha. So when you hop on here, tell me hello, tell me what you guys are up to today, and I am going to get started. I hope this is live. Yes, I see Rosalie. I am live. I will get started now. Today I want to talk about my very favorite thing, a smell good house. I don't know about you, and I talk about this a lot in my elegant community, but I don't know about you ladies. There is nothing better in the world than a smell good house. Hello, Linda. How are you today? I love to smell, to walk into a house and to smell that wonderful aroma, whatever that may be. Even if it's in the summertime, I want my house to smell amazing, 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 amazing. So the thing is I have the secret sauce that every single person wants. I got to tell you, I got to really tell you the truth. There's been lots of realtors. There's been lots of people. We have lots of open houses. Jason and I, as you know, we are kind of in the thick of all the houses and what we do. We have open houses. We have, we buy houses. We do all those kind of things. And people ask us all the time, what is it that you do to make your houses smell so amazing? Especially when you leave, you lock them up and it's amazing. And I've had people call me after they come to the houses and they're like, for weeks and days afterwards, the house still smells amazing. Hello, everyone. Hello, Kathy. Hello, Lorena. Hello, Carla. Hello, Barbara. Hello, everyone. Okay, so I'm going to tell you my secret sauce. But before I get started, I'm going to tell you what's going on. I'm going to have a few announcements because I wanted to announce these things once again today. You guys have done an amazing job doing all the things. Today, I've had so many shipments come in for the Christmas box. I'm so excited about this, guys. I look like I'm just sitting here at my desk, but I literally had to make a path to be able to get into my desk here. It's crazy. There's boxes absolutely everywhere. And that's awesome. So I started opening them. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm just going to tell you the truth. I might even have to buy one of these Christmas boxes. They are amazing. The things that we buy, we buy these things wholesale and stuff like that, and then we're hoping they turn out great. They turned out amazing. Some of the things that are in them, you're going to really be disappointed if you did not buy a Christmas box. So if you didn't buy it, you're going to really want to be on that list, and you've got to get on that buying the Christmas because they're amazing. Okay, so I want to tell you a couple announcements with that. You got to like, share, and comment on all the posts. Every post from here to October 31st. And you could be a happy winner of the Elegant Box, subscription box. I'm going to send out one of these boxes to a happy, lucky winner. So you have to like, share, and comment, which a lot of you guys have done that. And I'm super excited. I went yesterday trying to comment and trying to thank you all for doing that. So thank you. Continue to do that until October 31st. And then I will tell who the super awesome winner is that will win this box. Now, however, even if you do buy the box, everybody's been asking me this, even if you do buy the Christmas box, which I don't blame you, I would definitely do it. We will reimburse you for your Christmas box for just this one if you are the winner. So no worries. If you want to get in there and you want to make sure that you get one, which I definitely recommend, then we will reimburse you. So this is super, super important that you know that because there's limited availability for the Christmas boxes. One will be held back for that special winner, October 31st. And I'm telling you, my phone was blowing up because it's gauging. I have this gauging thing in here that is telling me who the winner is. And there's several of you are competing, really going at this. So like, share, and comment on all the posts. And you can go back and do those posts and the videos and things like that. So don't worry about that. You can go back. So the more you comment, like, and share, the luckier you will be. So good luck to whoever wins that. I love this time of year. I do too, Debbie. It's so fun. Okay, so that's one of the things I wanted to say. And the Elegant Thanksgiving Table Workshop is 21st and 22nd. That is free to anybody that wants to get in there. It is in a workshop, so it's in its own special thing. So go in there and make sure that you're in that workshop because all the things are coming in for that as well. And the products and all the things. And I cannot wait. I'm going to show you how to decorate your tables, an informal and a formal one. And then some of those products will be available the next day. So it's going to be super awesome, guys. You're going to love this. If you haven't done one of my workshops, you should do it. It's going to be fun. So why not? What do you have to lose, right? Okay. So today's Tuesday Talks with Tabitha is all about your smell good house. And I am not kidding. Wish I could smell your room. Oh, I know, Carolyn, the smell goods are amazing. So when people walk in my house all the time, they'll say, hey, what is that smell? Why does your house always smell like that fresh scent? And I'm going to tell you, there's a combination of things. I always have candles. I always have things like that. The wax melts and the scents. But I'm going to tell you, and of course, I always have the romantic things, the oil, the diffusers. Words are hard for me lately. I don't know why. I think it's talking to too many people. However, I'm going to tell you one of the things that I absolutely love and I share with everybody. And one of the reasons I do this is because when we're doing all the houses and all the things, I really worry about keeping things plugged in and things like that. So like the houses that we stage and that we're selling and all that kind of stuff, this is my secret sauce. This is the thing. So if you know a realtor or anybody that would benefit, share this post, okay? Or just share it because you want to win the box. Okay. I'm going to tell you, Aromatique years ago came up with this thing, and it's called a refresher oil. And they come in all these different little bottles, and literally it's this little bitty bottle like this. I know I'm trying to hold it back so you guys can see it. This is the smell. This is the smell of Christmas. This one is the smell of the tree. This is amazing pants. Now this smell is not the number one smell. The number one smell for Aromatique, but this is amazing. It's called pumpkin spice. OMG. Okay. If you don't have this one is the number one smell for fall of all scents, of all things. I just read this in one of my articles and I can totally tell why. I haven't used it for a while because I always use pretty much the ones that I always use, but I got this one out, guys, and I put it in my little diffuser. Holy cow. But I'm going to tell you where to really use this. But I put it in my diffuser as well. This is called pumpkin spice. And I don't know what the spices are. I kind of looked this up today because I've been using this on my website. But this is amazing pants. I mean, this thing smells like heaven in it. I don't know. Oh my gosh. If you want your house to smell like fall and all the things and pumpkin, this is it. It's in this bottle. I have that smell in my house now, but I love the oil from the diffuser. Oh my gosh. So put it in your diffuser, Kathy. But I'm going to tell you really where to put this. You want to know? I put this, and it has this little dropper, just to let you know. I put this in my vents. Okay? Okay? Did you hear that? I put this in my vents. So when we go into these houses, of course we clean up the houses and we get everything clean and everything. So we put all these little things, these little oils, I put them in the vents. So when your house is heated up or the air conditioner comes on or the heat comes on or you can just turn the fans on sometimes when we just have the windows open, I put this in the, I just shake it like this. I don't want to shake it, but I'm going to show you. I'm going to put this on so it doesn't. I shake this in the oil in the vents of my house. And then this, once the air comes on, whatever it blows, this gets in the whole smell of the whole house, whatever one. This is another one. I'm going to tell you, we have the top smell will be available in our workshop. This is cinnamon cider. This is pumpkin spice. So whichever one that you put in your vents, it'll make the whole entire house smell good. Who doesn't want that, right? Who doesn't want that to smell amazing pants? And I'm not kidding you. Not just a little smell. It's amazing smell. So whatever they put in these little bottles, it's magical. I mean, it's amazing. It doesn't smell like your doTERRAs. It doesn't smell like your whatever, your essential oils. It's not the same kind of oil. This is like 100,000 times stronger for some reason. I don't know why. I don't know what they put in it. Cinnamon cider is so good. It's amazing pants. I mean, cinnamon cider is one of them. The smell of Christmas is one of them. Pumpkin spice is another one. I think the little tag things or whatever. I don't know what these are. We've got the smell of the tree. And I think there's another one that we're putting in there. I can't talk. Sorry, guys. Somebody's trying to call me. So these are the best things ever. So when you use these, you put these in your vents, and then your vents come on, and then they smell up your house. And yes, do you sell these? Yes, 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 yes. I do, Renee. I am going to start selling these. So these are going to be in the workshop, and along with the wax melts that you guys all loved from the last ones. We're going to have those available again in all the different scents. We're going to have the trap candles that everybody loves, which are amazing pants. I'm not kidding you. We sold out on all of these. We've got more coming in, and it gives you a little thing. It says, "Thank you for your business. Thank you for your business." Oh my goodness. I might have to light this today while I'm out here. There's one last one because, I got to have this. So yes, we're going to start selling these, and you're going to be able to get these. Now, guys, you have to be in the workshop to be able to get these. Also, it's free. Just go in there. All this stuff is going to be in the workshop. So get in there, be available, do all the things. Another thing that I want to talk about that is one of my very, very favorite things to make your house smell good. And I'm going to tell you in the workshop. I'm not going to tell you today. This is just to get you into the workshop. I don't know why this person's very persistent. They want to talk to me. But this is another thing that we're going to be selling. And we have bigger bags that are coming. But we sell potpourri. And the potpourri are in the different smells of all of this one. This was one that I gave away in my goodie bags in my Elegant community last year. And it's called The Smell of Winter. Oh my goodness. It is amazing pants. It smells amazing. So I give these little bags away in all of my subscriptions, all of my Elegant community, my goodie bags and things like that. I melted one of your candles in my candle warmer. Ooh, Carolyn, that smells amazing. That sounds amazing. It smells so good. I'm glad it smells good. That's awesome. The little warmer. So I usually give like little samples of each one of them in my goodie bag in the Elegant community. I give a goodie bag out twice a year, and that's what she's talking about. I give a sample out of the trap candles, and I also give out some potpourri. And so you can get kind of a little taster of what these kind of a little smell of what these smell like. So if there's something that you ever want, let me know. They'll be in the workshop, guys. So if you want some of these products, you have to get in the workshop. Okay, guys, they will be available for sale in the workshop. So go get in there. Make sure you like, comment, and share all the posts. And yeah, this is my Tuesday Talks for Tabitha, and this is my secret sauce. Put it in your vents. It's amazing. You will be so shocked. Okay, guys, thank you so much, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.